Press and hold the set button for 10 seconds. The motor will jog once. Press and hold the down button for 5 seconds. The motor will jog once again. Press the up button. Press and hold the stop and up button for 1 second to save the up position. The motor will jog once again. Press the stop button when reached the desired position. Press and hold the stop and down button for 1 second to save the down position. The motor will jog once again.